What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play Mistletoe by Justin Bieber on the good old uke. As always with every ukulele tutorial, I will include a skip to section right here where you can either skip to the chords, the chord progression, or the strumming for this song. If you don't want to sit through an entire 10-minute video, I totally get it, I totally understand. But if you did, I'd love you forever. Also, I do want to note is that the full play along for this song is now live on my YouTube channel. I'll leave a link in the description below and in the top of the comments, so definitely go check out that video after you watch and learn this one. The play along consists of me strumming and singing the entire song with the chords and lyrics on screen, so it's a super easy play along for you. Also, the chord sheet is in the description. You can copy and paste it and keep it for yourself. And the chord sheet obviously consists of the full lyrics and the chord right above the word, so you know exactly when to change chords. But with all that said and done, let's go ahead and learn these chords that we need for this song. Alright, so let's learn these chords. As always, I will include a visual representation of where I need to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see and then have me talk you through it. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and talk about the first chord, which is the A minor chord. And how we're going to play this one is, you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place it on the 4th string, which is the top string, 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the C chord, and how we're going to play this one is, you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place your ring finger on the 1st string, which is the bottom string, 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the F chord, and how we're going to play this one is, you're going to take your pointer finger and place it on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and then you're going to take your middle finger and place your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. Awesome. And last but definitely not least is the G chord, and how we're going to play this chord is, you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and then finally you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. Awesome. Alright, so those are the chords that we need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and then once the chords sound crisp and clear, press play, and now let's talk about the chord progression that we're going to use throughout the entire song, coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's talk about the chord progression that we're going to use throughout the entire song. And luckily for us, once we know this chord progression, you basically have the entire structure of the song down. It's super simple. So the chord progression is going to be C, G, A minor, and then F. So again, it's going to be C, G, A minor, and then F. And again, once you memorize that chord progression, you have basically the entire structure of the song. So all you have to do now is add the lyrics. So again, that chord progression I'll make sure to leave up on screen. So now that we know the chord progression and the chords, let's talk about how we're going to play the song with the strumming coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords and the chord progression. Now let's talk about how we're going to play this song. I'm going to teach you 3 different ways you can play this song. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I just started playing like an hour ago. I do not want to add strumming. I just love Justin Bieber. I love Christmas. I love this song. Please don't add strumming. I will literally slap you in the face. Also, please don't slap me in the face. But I will teach you a simple way, which is going to be a simple down strum. So whenever you see a chord change, just strum down. And you can strum with your thumb, you can strum down, or you can strum with your pointer finger, but I feel like it's a little more comfortable right now, especially if you're a beginner. Just strum with your thumb and make sure it's a fluid motion down, and your fingers aren't getting stuck in between the chords. It's just a fluid motion down. The second way that we can play this song is with a strumming pattern. I have the C chord down, and the strumming pattern is going to be a down, down, up, down, up. So again, that strumming pattern is going to be down, down, up, down, up. And you're going to actually play that strumming pattern twice for every chord. So if we remember the chord progression, which is C, G, A minor, F, you're going to play every chord gets 2 strumming patterns. So C is going to get 2 strumming patterns, 1, 2, and then G, 1, 2, A minor, 1, 2, and then F, 1, 2. So you're going to play that consistently throughout the entire song. It's just going to go C, G minor, G, A minor, and F, and you're going to do 2 strumming patterns, which is the down, down, up, down, up, twice for every chord. And the third way that we can play this song is going to be with a strumming pattern and a chuck. I feel like a chuck just adds a little bit more spice into the mix. So it's going to be pretty much the exact same strumming pattern that we just learned previously, but you're going to add a chuck into it. So I have the C chord down as always, and it's going to be a down, chuck, up, chuck, up. So again, you're going to play that strumming pattern twice for every chord. So it's going to go C, 1, 2, G, 1, 2, A minor, 1, 2, F, 1, 2. And again, you're going to do that same consistently throughout the entire song, and that is pretty much it. So remember, if you're going to do a down strum, just a single down strum, just strum down whenever you see a chord change. But if you're going to do the strumming pattern, make sure to do the strumming pattern twice for every chord, and it will sound just amazing. Alright, so we learned the chords, the chord progression, and the 3 different ways you can play this song. Congratulations, you now know how to play Mistletoe by Justin Bieber on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube if you haven't already. Also, I do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to you for clicking on this video and watching this video. I truly can't thank you enough. It truly means a lot knowing that I have your support. And if you're just here today, you found my channel today, or if you've been here since day 1, I can't thank you enough. You truly do mean a lot. We're about to hit 50,000 subscribers, which is absolutely an insane, a hugely insane number. What are words? English. It's a huge number. I never thought I would reach 50,000. So thank you so much for all the support this year. It's absolutely mind-blowing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you're anything like me, when you're watching a ukulele video, you're like, dude, what uke are you playing? It looks amazing. It sounds amazing. Give me the details. I need to know, please. I got you. This is a concert-size Enya ukulele. It is honestly one of my favorites. I'm usually always playing either this one or a few others. This is definitely in my top 5. The color on this is really what drew me to this uke. And then obviously the sound of this uke is honestly just beautiful. If you do want to be uke twins with me and get this uke, I will leave a link in the description below where you can check out the Amazon page. It's definitely very affordable. I think right now it's about $70, $75, maybe $72. And it does come with the entire ukulele starter kit, which is like a capo, tuner, extra strings, cleaning cloth, all that good stuff. And one of the most padded gig bags I've seen lately. They're definitely really awesome, and it keeps your uke nice and snug and safe. And if you've watched this video or my past videos, you know that I appreciate a padded gig bag. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And again, if you want to get this one, link will be in the description below. And finally, we do have merch. If you do want to support this channel, link will be in the description below. I'm currently wearing the official Uke Fam hoodie, which is the logo for this channel. But we also do have the Potato Squad merch, which is a potato playing a uke wearing the official Uke fam merch, so it's like Inception. If you do want to get any of those collections, link again will be in the description below. Thank you so much for all the support that you've shown for the merch and for this channel. If you subscribed or liked the video, it honestly means the world to me. Thank you so much. And also, if you do want to get more behind the scenes stuff and things of my everyday life, if I can speak English again, but you can follow me on Instagram, which is just at Ricky Somborn. I pretty much post there daily. I'm always active. I always read my DMs. So if you do have a question about Uke, song recommendations, or anything, let me know in a DM or let me know in the comments below, because I'm always responding to comments as well. So thank you so much. I really honestly can't thank you enough. And if you do learn a song through these tutorials or the play-alongs and you want to share them out to the entire 56,000 Uke fan members on Instagram, I'm always resharing as well. So it's a really fun time over there if you haven't joined already. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Thank you for all the support. Hope you're liking these Christmas videos, and I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.